Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Thoughts on Education. Today we have Chirosri ma'am with us from IMPS College. Ma'am, kindly introduce yourself to our audience, please.
Hi everyone, this is Chirasri Dashgupta from West Bengal, and I am from a regional engineering college named IMPS College of Engineering and Technology, which is a very remote small town Malda in West Bengal. And I'm here for this college for the last 15 years, and I'm heading the department for the last 10 years. My department is Basic Science and Humanities, and I'm in the Special in Humanities department, that is English Language and Communication. And I'm teaching here from 2006 onwards.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, my first
Okay.
question to you would be, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Actually, we teachers do not teach only, we do guide them. We do try to make them just be their mentors also. And our best effort is to just to open the window in front of them. Just they can look after, they can look forward to the new world also, not only by their textbooks, just to open up another window.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, how do you try to bring in a practical approach towards the subjects?
Look, it depends from subject to subject. It varies also. For my department, I can say you that I do take very practical life-size examples in classroom whenever we are in chalk and talk mode, or moreover whenever we are in online mode. We do take examples from our daily life, so that they can get involved with the common people, so that they can get involved with others. They can relate themselves, better to say. Okay, normally we do set examples from practical life like that. And other technical subjects, they're also having their different methods, such as civil or electrical. That's different. But this is for my part, as there is a practical class also, that is English language lab. So they have to face the daily life examples. This is all.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, how does your department prepare students for higher education?
Look, this is Basic Science and Humanities department. Besides taking their regular classes, we do prepare them for their future exams. Just like so many competitive exams are there, just like GATE. They do often prepare. We have to prepare them for the year-long practice. This is just like aptitude test, reasoning ability. And for my part, as my subject is English language and communication, we have to enhance their grammatical portions also. And this is all. And especially grooming, as my part is soft skill and personality development. Grooming is there, how to face the interviews, how to walk, how to place themselves before the interview board, so and so.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
This is a professional course, and obviously most of the students prefer to go for job after completion of BTech. Okay, most of them do like for to go for the future job oriented courses, and few of them also prefer to go for higher study, just like MTech or any other MBA or any other course. But most of them go for prefer just to go for get involved in any job. They just face the interviews and go for job. And this is professional course, and that's why they do get the scope for campus interviews also, and from there they are placed also.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you see as your college's greatest strength?
Our esteemed faculty members, they do a lot for their students, because we do believe that this is our prime duty to make them, to prepare them for their future life. And one of the greatest source from our college is our library, college library. This is so rich with books. Lots of books are there, and our faculty members also help them a lot. And we are having very good laboratory infrastructure in college, in all the 4 departments, just like computer science, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and civil engineering, including my English language lab also. The laboratory facilities are also very well equipped. Labs are here.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, my final question to you is, what valuable advice would you like to give to the students?
Just be a complete man or woman, because studying and studying and sitting on the exam hall and placing with a good marks, this is not all. Okay, after completion of our regular course and others, all we need to be a good human being. This is final. And I do believe also, and I always tell my students, just be a good human being, complete human being, just be with others also.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for your time and words of wisdom. I am sure that students watching this might be benefited a lot from this interview. Thank you so much, ma'am.